Atuniel. Adan Atuniel, grade 10. Wala kaming yel. Wala kaming yel. Yel punel. Ang nag-practice ka mo. Sige. Let's try to. Ay, may concert pa kami mo. Wait. Ready?
Ready na, you ready?
Thank you. Senior high, please welcome Mr. John F. Poblete, Unit Manager of Senior High. Ladies, gentlemen, and those in between, it is my honor to present to you 54 male and 16 female, a total of 70 fearless and glowing senior high school athletes who are ready to bring pride and honor to our school. Wow, 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 wow! May mga palaban. Senior high, magpapatalo ba kayo? Wait lang. Again. Senior high, magpapatalo ba kayo? Ang aming kasagutan ay hindi po atin! Bakit?
Senior high, matitibay! Senior high, matitibay! Senior high, matitibay! Senior high, matitibay! Kami ang star! Sa amin ang throne! Sa amin ang moment! Sa amin ang goal! Kumikinang, di matitinag, laging nandas, senior high, ha! No more